Digambar Institute of Technology. My name Mr. Hardesh Kumar. Today we will discuss about the introduction microprocessor. Microprocessor is a semiconductor devices. Microprocessor is a control unit of a microcomputer. That means माइक्रोकंप्यूटर का कंट्रोल यूनिट्स है माइक्रोप्रोसेसर, फैब्रिकेटेड ऑन ए स्मॉल चिप, कैपेबल ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट ऑपरेशन एंड कम्युनिकेटिंग with the other devices connected to it. The microprocessor is a controlling unit of a microcomputer, fabricated on a small chip, capable of performing ALU, arithmetic and logical unit operation and communication with the other devices connected to it. The microprocessor consists of an ALU. ALU means arithmetic and logic unit. ALU, it operates of the arithmetical and logical operation. Arithmetical input devices we connected of arithmetical operations, and output devices output of this arithmetical operations, such as binary code, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. So this operations operate of the ALU, this ALU, arithmetical and logical operations. Or an input device's register array consists of register identified by letter like B, C, D, E, H and L. And accumulator, the control unit, control the flow of data and instructions within the computers. Basics of microprocessor: this is the input devices and connected of microprocessor. It consists of ALU, registers array and control units. This microprocessor connected of memory. Memory is a storage devices. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read only memory. Input devices, performance of the microprocessors through connected of output devices. Any device is connected of input, result of provide output. List of terms used in a microprocessor. Here is a list of some of the frequently used terms in a microprocessor. Instruction set. It is the set of instructions that the microprocessor can understand. Bandwidth. It is the number of bits processed in a single instructions. Clock speed. It determines the number of operations per second the processor can perform. It is expressed in megahertz or gigahertz. It is also known as clock rate. Word length, It depends upon the width of internal data bus, registers, ALU. An 8-bit microprocessor can process 8-bit data at a time. The 8085 8-bit microprocessor प्रोसेस करेगा 8-bit डाटा एट ए वन टाइम्स. द वर्ड लेंथ रेंज फ्रॉम 4 bits to 64 bits. The word length is ranges 4 bit to 64 bit. 4 bit to 64 bit depend upon the type of the microcomputer. Microcomputer, small of computer, process of input output devices. Data type, the microprocessor has multiple data type format like binary, BCD, binary code decimal, and ASCII, signed and unsigned number. Features of a microprocessor. Here is a list of some of the most prominent features of any microprocessor. Cost effective. The microprocessor chip are available at low price and result its low price and result is its low cost. Size. The microprocessor is of small size chips, hence is portable. Low power consumption. Microprocessor are manufactured by using metal oxide semiconductor. Semiconductor basically two type, N type semiconductor and P type semiconductor. Semiconductor intrinsic pure and extrinsic impure technologies be used of the semiconductor, which has low power consumptions. Low power consumptions means noise immunity, low power to high power is very low power consumptions. Versatility. The microprocessor are versatile as we can use the same chip in a number of applications by configuring the software program. Software programs. Any microprocessor instructions is a software program. Reliability. The failure rate of an IC integrated chip in microprocessor is very low, hence it is reliable. This is the basically microprocessor classification. Microprocessor three type: RISC processor, CISC processor, special processor. RISC reduces instruction set computers processor. CISC complex instruction set processor. Special processor 8051, Intel 8031, 8085 microprocessor, 8086 microprocessor, and many more microprocessor. RISC processor. RISC stand for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. It is designed to reduce the execution time by simplifying the instruction set of the computer using RISC processor. Each instruction required only one clock cycle. Every instruction is required of the one clock cycles to execute, result in uniform execution time. This reduces the efficiency as there are more lines of code. Hence, more random access memory is needed to store the instructions. The compiler क्या करेगा, कंपाइल करेगा एनी कोड को, also has to work more to convert high level language instructions into machine code. Compiler work of high level language instructions into machines code. Some of RISC processor are PowerPC 601, 604, 615, 620, DEC Alpha 210642, 211066, 21068, 21164, MIPS TS R10000, RISC RISC processor, PA RISC HP 7100LC. This is the standard sum of the RISC processor. RISC processor reduces instruction set computers. Architecture of RISC. Architecture of reducing instruction set computer. RISC microprocessor architecture uses highly optimized set of instructions. It is used in portable devices like Apple, iPod due to its power efficiency. The architecture of RISC connected of hardwired control units and data path. So data path is connected of bidirectionally data bus. Data bus the control of data path in control unit. Control unit connected of instructions cache is bidirectionally. So instruction set the program code store in the main memory. Instructions plus data store of the main memories and data caches and data path. Characteristics of RISC. The major characteristics of RISC processor are as follow. It consists of simple instructions. Simple instructions move and addressing mode, implied, direct, indirect, and microprocessor instructions. It support various data type format. Upcode and operand. This is the different type: 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64 bits. It utilizes simple addressing mode. In addressing mode, move, MVI, CMP. This is the different addressing mode. So this address copy to the another address and fixed length instructions from pipelining. It supports registers to use in any context. 1 cycle execution times. Load and store instructions are used to access the memory locations. Load and store instructions store of the memory location. So these instructions are work of the load and store. Any microprocessor instructions work of dependent and programming and store of the memory location. It consists of large number of registers. It consists of large number of registers. The 8085 microprocessor, it is a 8-bit devices, but register are used 8-bit and 16-bit. 16-bit रजिस्टर्स यूज करता है. ALU, प्रोग्राम काउंटर, flag registers and different temporary register. It consists of large number of registers. It consists of less number of transistor. Transistor are basically two type. N type transistor or P type transistor. BJT, UJT, FET, different transistor use less number. BJT bipolar junction transistors, UJT unijunction transistor, FET field effect transistor. CISC processor. CISC stand for complex instruction set computer. It is designed to minimize the number of instructions per program, ignoring the number of cycles per instructions. The emphasis is on building complex instructions directly into the hardware. The compiler has to do very little work to translate a high-level language into assembly-level language and machine code, because the length of the code is relatively short, so very little random access memory is required to store the instructions. Some of the CISC processor are some of the complex instruction set computer processor: IBM, VAX, Intel. These type of processor are used CISC processor. So the compiler, this processor work very little work to translate instructions high level language into assembly language. RAM work for storage devices in instructions. This is the architecture of CISC. Its architecture is designed to decrease the memory cost. Complex instruction set computers is designed to decrease the memory cost. Its store is needed in larger programs. Larger program means program counters, timer, status, DMA, DMA. DMA hold signal, interrupt signal, result in higher memory cost. तो larger programs means DMA. DMA direct memory access, we use of two signals, hold and HLD. Hold signals and HLDA signals and different interrupt programming. Software interrupt programming. Software interrupt programming, trap, INTA. Trap is the mask cable. INTA, interrupt acknowledgements, is the non-mask cables. Software interrupt. RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5. These are the interrupt signals. Program counter consists of 8-bit and 16-bit. 8-bit address and 16-bit address. So main part work of the in larger program is data buses, address buses and program counter and compiler and microprocessor instructions. Microprocessor instructions and different instructions move MVI, that means move instructions, any instructions move to the one locations to another locations, and MVI move I implied to the one instructions to the another instructions. To resolve this, the number of instructions per program can be reduced by embedding the number of operations in a single instructions. This is the architecture of CISC. Main program control memory. This is the main program control memory and connected of control units. The program micro program control memory connected of control units. The control unit, this program control in store of the instructions programming code. The control unit we connected of instructions and data paths. Instructions one by one we work of compiler and debuggings and run. That catches is connected of bidirectionally. So these type of instructions store of main memory. Main memory is work for storage devices. Characteristics of CISC: variety of addressing mode. Addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, implied addressing mode, larger number of instructions, variable length of instructions format, several cycle may be required to execute one instructions decoding logic is complex, one instruction is required to support multiple addressing mode. Addressing modes, different type of addressing mode: indirect addressing mode, direct addressing mode, implied addressing mode, index addressing mode. Larger number of instructions, different type of instructions यूज होते हैं बहुत सारे नंबर्स में. Variety length of instructions format, opcode and operand. 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128 bits. Several cycles may be required to execute one instructions. Instructions decoding logic is complex. one instructions is required to support multiple addressing mode. Thank you watching this video.